guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again. I know it's been a while, forgive me, and I'm sorry. If you're new to my channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thanks for joining this family. I hardly upload, but I'm gonna promise you I will. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you, and I really appreciate you coming. And if you're just passing by just because you saw this cute face, thank you for watching this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to recreate it, just give me a thumbs up to tell me you will do it. So I'll see you at the end of the video. I've already done this eye and we are going to create this look by using the palette that I bought from Joom. I bought the reversal palette and then your shades. I have used your shades in my previous makeup video, and if you have not seen it, I'm going to leave the link here so that you guys go check it. So I'm going to start by using this blending brush. I'm going to dip it in this blue. And we're going to create this wing effect. So what I do is, let me zoom you guys in. So I start by tapping it at the edges. And it's very light, but we're going to deepen it by using a black shadow. And then I flick it so that it will have that effect. So after I get the shape, I keep filling it until I'm satisfied with where I'm taking it to. So I think this is okay. So I'm going to use the same brush, but then I'm going to swipe up. I'm going to swipe the shades by using this W7 shade and swap. So just, clean it. I'm going to use the same brush for both the blue and then the black eyeshadow from your shades palette to darken the blue. I don't take it further in. I don't also take it all the way up to the cat crease because I want to see a little bit of blue there, sort of like a transition to the darker blue. Now we are going to go back into the blue using the same brush and then play with it as well, but we use a very light hand to sort of, play with it. And you have to be careful not to, go all the way up. Just follow the cut that you've already started at the end here. Just be careful. You can also use it like sort of like a cutting crease sort of thing. I'm going to take this brush. It's sort of like a blending brush, I don't know, but then I just blend the black since now I know where my blue ends. So I'm going to use this brush, and I'm not going to wet it with anything, so I'm just going to just go for it. So after I have, you know, gotten the shape and everything, lay down the white, I go back into your shades palette using the same eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow. But this time I don't pack a lot on my brush. I just pack a little bit so that I'll create this kind of, you know, transitioning from blue to white. So what I do is to, you know, sort of lightly pat on it. So in the reversal palette, I'm going to use this shade called Space. It's sort of a blue and green glitter. So I'm going to just take it. So after I'm done with the eyes and I think I'm good with it, I just go with my e.l.f. eyeliner. So after that, so there you have it. It's ready for the face. I'm using the Baby Skin pore eraser, and this I also bought from Joom. Conceal using this Revolution Ultra Cover Concealer, medium to dark, and I'm going to use the dark shade here to conceal.
When the song is over, you
to set my foundation and everything with this MAC Prep and Prime. So it's time for lashes. I'm going to go off camera and just put on these lashes and be right. I'm back. I have popped on some lashes, you know, fixed my hair, put on some earrings, and now we're going to do the finishing touches to the face. So we will go straight to, you know, the under eye. Cut the under eye using your shades, the blue that I used for the eyes. So the lashes that I'm wearing, it's from the lashes that are the magnetic lashes that I told you guys about in my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description box so that you guys go check it out. I bought it from Joom. So we're going to go straight to the eyes. So now I'm going to dip into the reversal palette and use this shadow called Space for the middle part of my under eye. I'm just going to, you know, put it somewhere here, and then so that looks complete and good. So now we're going to go to the lips, line up my lips with this MAC chestnut that, you know, I'm left with just a little bit. It's so good for brown skin girls, so you know, you have to, you know, keep it. Then I'm going to use the Revolution lipstick in the shade Lust. I'm going to use this clear lip gloss from Technique, just so you know. Just a little bit of shine. Yeah, I think this is good. Then to set everything in, I'm going to use my Mario facial spray. That's a lot of facial spray. Of this look, I hope you guys enjoyed it and, you know, you learned a little bit. Like I always tell you, I'm not a makeup artist. I do play around with makeup, and it's just fun with colors and all the stuff and trying my hands on new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe out there.